Alright, 3W, this is the website we're going to be using this week to work with fractions. When you click on it, it's going to say right here, click to enable Adobe Flash Player. You need to click on it one time. And up here it says ABCya wants to run Flash. You say allow. And now everything is here for you. We have these manipulatives we're going to use, so then you click go. Brings you to this screen and it has all this information. If you want to look at it, you can, but right here it says instructions. Tap here to dismiss and get started. That's what you want to do. And we're going to be using the fraction bars right here. So you can just easily click them and they're there for you to use. When you want to start a new one because you want to get rid of them, you just click new. Are you sure you want to start new? Yep. If you want to do a pen tool, Mr. Westhoff will sometimes ask you to write something. There it is. And then I want to erase it, so I just click the eraser.